Imagine this. You walk into the gym and instantly heads turn. Every eye is drawn to you. People can't help but notice the confidence in your stride and the raw power in your frame. You've become the person others look up to, the one whose strength speaks for itself. And the best part? You can build that same commanding physique with just 4 powerful exercises that forge true strength and mass. The flat bench press. The flat bench press isn't just another gym move, it's the foundation of every serious strength and muscle building program. If your goal is to craft a massive, powerful upper body that instantly commands attention, this is where you start. Far beyond just a chest workout, the bench press is a total upper body powerhouse, activating your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Why it's the king of mass building? The flat bench press has earned its throne because no other exercise builds a thick, full chest quite like it. When performed correctly, it works the upper, middle, and lower portions of your pecs, creating that rounded, sculpted chest that defines strength. This movement is your ticket to that wide, solid look that turns heads the moment you enter a room. As one of the greatest compound lifts, the bench press lets you handle heavy loads, and that's the real secret behind building size and strength. The heavier you lift, with good form, the more muscle fibers you recruit, and the faster your physique grows. Steady progress on this lift directly translates into noticeable gains across your entire upper body. While most people think of it as purely a chest move, the bench press also engages your deltoids and triceps in a major way. Your triceps take over in the final push, that lockout phase, giving your arms that extra power and definition. And since it recruits multiple muscle groups simultaneously, it helps improve your balance, stability, and overall muscle coordination, especially through your core as it stabilizes your torso during the lift. How to get the most out of it? Control is key. Lower the bar slowly and deliberately. Never let it crash onto your chest. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to avoid shoulder strain, and when you press upward, explode with power. Focus on a mind-muscle connection. Consciously squeeze your chest as you push the bar back up. This will dramatically increase engagement and muscle growth. For consistent progress, gradually increase the weight over time. Whether you're working in 3 sets of 10 or 5 sets of 5, the principle remains the same. 2. Dumbbell Shoulder Press. Next up is the Dumbbell Shoulder Press, one of the absolute best movements for building broad, powerful shoulders that make your physique stand out in any crowd. Unlike barbell presses, using dumbbells allows for greater freedom of movement, helping you develop even strength on both sides of your body while engaging your stabilizing muscles. This is your go-to exercise for crafting massive shoulders, increasing pressing strength, and unlocking total upper body dominance. Why the dumbbell shoulder press changes everything. The main advantage of this exercise is its ability to build serious size and power in your deltoids, the front, middle, and rear heads of your shoulder muscles. This creates that round, capped look that defines an impressive upper body. Big, broad shoulders combined with a tighter waist give you the classic V-taper shape, the golden standard of an aesthetic, commanding physique. Dumbbells offer a natural and unrestricted range of motion, unlike the barbell press, which can sometimes feel rigid. This freedom allows you to adjust the movement to your body's natural mechanics, reducing injury risk and allowing deeper activation of each deltoid muscle. It's not just safer, it's smarter training. How to get the most from the dumbbell shoulder press? Start by sitting on a bench with back support, or perform the exercise standing if you prefer a more functional full body challenge. Keep your feet shoulder width apart for a solid base. Hold the dumbbells at shoulder height, with your palms facing forward or slightly inward. A neutral grip helps protect your joints and allows a more natural movement path. As you begin the press, drive the weights upward in a smooth and controlled motion. Fully extend your arms overhead, but avoid locking your elbows at the top. This keeps tension on the muscles instead of the joints. Then, lower the dumbbells slowly back down to shoulder level, making sure your movements stay steady and deliberate. Your goal isn't to fling the weights upward using momentum, but to isolate the shoulders and make them do the work. Focus on maintaining strict form. Keep your torso stable, engage your core, and prevent your lower back from arching. 3. Deadlift. The deadlift is, without question, one of the most powerful and transformative exercises you can perform. If your goal is to build raw strength, dense muscle mass, and an awe-inspiring physique, this movement is non-negotiable. It's the ultimate full-body lift, a total test of physical and mental power that challenges you from head to toe. With each rep, you train your body to move as one solid, coordinated unit, forging a muscular, commanding frame that exudes strength and confidence. Deadlifts engage an impressive range of muscle groups, making them one of the best compound lifts for complete mass and strength development. From your legs and glutes to your back, traps, core, and even forearms, almost every major muscle is activated. Perform the deadlift correctly. Start with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing straight ahead or slightly outward. Position the barbell directly over the middle of your feet, close enough that your shins are nearly touching it. Bend at your hips and knees to grip the bar with your hands just outside your knees, keeping your arms long and straight. Before you even lift the bar off the floor, make sure your back stays perfectly flat, never rounded. This is non-negotiable. Take a deep, solid breath and brace your core tightly, as if you're preparing to take a punch to the stomach. That internal pressure acts like natural armor, stabilizing your spine and safeguarding your lower back throughout the entire movement. To begin the lift, drive powerfully through your heels and push your hips forward, not by yanking the bar with your back. The movement should feel smooth and strong. The bar should glide upward in a straight line, staying close to your body from start to finish. As you reach the top, stand tall and proud, your chest lifted, shoulders pulled back, and hips fully extended. 4. Barbell Squat. Often hailed as the king of all exercises, the barbell squat has earned its crown for good reason. If your goal is to build serious mass, power, and total body strength, squats are absolutely essential. This compound movement engages nearly every major muscle group, making it the ultimate foundation for crafting an impressive, athletic, and balanced physique. Why the barbell squat is a game changer. The squat is unmatched when it comes to developing massive, strong legs and glutes. It targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, all the muscles responsible for building that solid, thick lower body. Over time, consistent squatting creates powerful legs and rounded, defined glutes, one of the most aesthetically impressive and functionally important parts of a powerful frame. But the squat goes far beyond leg training. It's a true full-body movement that demands stability, coordination, and strength from your entire system. The barbell resting on your shoulders forces your core and upper body to stay tight and upright, building tremendous core strength and spinal stability. This integrated effort strengthens every major muscle group from head to toe, making the squat one of the most efficient exercises you can perform. Another reason squats are so transformative is their profound effect on your hormonal response. Because they are one of the most demanding exercises, heavy squats trigger a surge of anabolic hormones like testosterone and human growth hormone, HGH. These hormones are crucial for muscle recovery, repair, and overall growth. The heavier you squat, with proper form, the stronger this hormonal signal becomes, leading to accelerated muscle development across your entire body. Beyond aesthetics, squats are a functional movement. They mimic natural body mechanics you use in daily life. Whether you're lifting a box, standing up from a chair, or climbing stairs, the same muscles are at work. Developing strength through this movement pattern not only enhances your performance in the gym, but also makes you stronger, more stable, and more capable in everyday activities. How to perform the barbell squat correctly. Set your barbell on a squat rack at about chest height. Step under the bar and position it comfortably across your upper traps, not your neck. Grip the bar firmly and step back with your feet shoulder width apart, toes turned slightly outward. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders back, and core braced. Imagine you're preparing to take a strong punch to the gut. That tightness will protect your spine and maintain solid posture. Begin the movement by pushing your hips backward and bending your knees, as if sitting back into an invisible chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or deeper if your mobility allows. Throughout the movement, ensure the bar stays directly over your midfoot and keep your knees tracking in line with your toes, never letting them cave inward. As you rise, drive powerfully through your heels, engaging your glutes and quadriceps to return to a standing position. At the top, fully extend your hips, but avoid overarching your lower back. Keep your chest proud and core tight from start to finish. Each rep should feel controlled, powerful, and deliberate. That's how you build real strength safely. Pro tip: never rush through your squats. Take your time. Form always comes before weight. Proper technique isn't just about looking good in the gym, it's the foundation of both safety and maximum muscle growth. Start with a lighter load to perfect your mechanics before piling on more plates. This ensures your movement pattern is solid, controlled, and efficient, the kind that protects your joints and sets you up for long-term progress. Focus on depth just as much as weight. Lowering yourself deeper into the squat while maintaining correct form recruits far more muscle fibers, especially in the glutes and hamstrings. That deeper range of motion builds more strength and encourages greater muscle activation and hypertrophy, meaning faster, fuller growth. If your ankle mobility is holding you back from reaching proper depth, don't ignore it. You can use a slight heel elevation, like small weight plates or lifting wedges, to help maintain balance and posture. Better yet, work consistently on your ankle flexibility and mobility drills. Over time, improving your range of motion will allow you to squat deeper and safer, unlocking your true strength potential.
And there you have it, 4 powerhouse exercises that can completely transform your strength, size, and confidence. Stay consistent, train smart, and watch your body evolve into its strongest version yet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more workouts, tips, and motivation.